Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your Opstra account access and fetching the option chain for the underlying you trade. Once logged in, select the exchange and symbol, then pick the nearest expiry to begin analysis. This seeds all downstream metrics. Make sure to enable API or export so you can save snapshots. Once done, apply the platform's implied volatility surface and default Greeks. This gives you consistent inputs for strategy modeling and prevents stale data from skewing decisions. You now construct the trade. Pick a template or assemble individual legs and enter strikes and lot sizes. Once legs are set, inspect Greeks, theta, vega exposures, and the payoff diagram to understand risk-reward visually. Then run sensitivity tests, shift implied volatility and underlying price, and simulate time decay to see scenario outcomes. Make adjustments to strikes or widths until the payoff and probability distributions fit your risk tolerance. Remember, stress test. You complete the process by exporting the order or sending it to your broker, confirming lot sizes, margins, and expiries. After placing the trade, monitor live Greeks and P/L inside Opstra, and set alerts for significant Roman 4 moves or delta drift. If the executed fills or simulations diverge, first check data timestamps and lot size mapping between Opstra and your broker, then validate slippage and commission settings. This troubleshooting step fixes most discrepancies and ensures your analytics reflect real-world execution.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.